What a beautiful day. Dude, you've said that line way too many times. What do you mean? You've only said that. You won't get it, Jebediah. Oh, okay, I'll shut up now. For the last time, Jebediah, when will I get fixed, please? I told you this! I'm gonna lose again if you ask me one more time! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Cool it down, old timer. Hey! He's got a point. Hey, will you two watch him out? Sure thing, sure thing. Yeah, right. What's that supposed to mean? Nothing. Anyway, that reminds me. I was supposed to tell you we're getting a new steam engine. What kind? Albert may like it. Alright. It's your cousin. What? My cousin? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited to meet him. Oh, hello there. I hope this is where I'm supposed to be. This is. Let me just make sure. This is just Santa Fe and Rio Grande, right? Yep. Hey, who's that over there? That's Albert. Wait. Who made him? Porter. I'm a Porter build as well. Then that means you two are cousins. Yes. Hey, what is your name? 060? I have a name. Okay, what is it? Well, my name is Mac. Mac? Yeah. It's nice to meet you, Mac. We're finally reunited after all these years. I'm so excited to finally meet you, Albert. Me too. So what job can I do first? By the way, what is your name? The name's Jebediah. Well, nice to meet you, Jebediah. What jobs can I do? You can start by doing some switching. Sir, yes, sir. Finally done.